We'd now like to show you how to process fabrics. This is art on fabric somebody's brought this back from Australia. Let's just take off the heading. Okay, so we want to mount this down onto a piece of board. The idea for mounting this down onto a piece of board, if you just put this into a frame that's not mounted, it's not physically stuck down to a board. Because of the weight of the fabric, it's actually going to drop down in the frame, and you'll see it sagging down inside. So again, because it's fabric, we're actually going to use, rather than dry mounting tissue, we are going to use dry mounting film. We're going to mount this time just onto, again, a piece of card. This could be hardboard, MDF, pretty much anything, again, the substrate that you want to choose. We've pre-coated the board. Again, we've taken the dry mount film, we've removed one release liner, we've pierced it, we've put it onto the board, and we put it into the press, so that we've now got a pre-coated board with a heat-applied glue. So, again, we're going to take our knife, lift up the release liner on the dry mount film. We can pull that release liner all the way off. Again, cleanliness, making sure that there's no bits on the back of the fabric, so it's nice and clean. We can lay it down onto our adhesive, and again, this goes into the press, base of the press, on top of the foam with the silicone release film on the top for approximately, depending on the thickness of the fabric, it's going to be in there for about 3.5 minutes. So as we can see, this has now been processed, it's out of the press, it's been permanently stuck down onto the board, nice and flat, ready for framing, and again, as we can see, it's not going to drop. Once it's in the frame, it's not going to sag down.